Hey everyone, my name's Isaac Lund and I'm an assistant horticulturist here at Duke Gardens, also Duke Divinity class of 2019. Today we're going to plant this flowering plant. This is a hellebore or a Lenten rose. First thing we got to do is get it out of the pot. So sometimes you'll see that the roots have already started to grow out through the bottom of the pot, so we'll just remove those and we'll squeeze a little bit and pop it out. Want to be gentle. There we go. And you can see it's kind of root bound there. So what we can do is we can loosen up those roots so that they have some room and some air to breathe and grow and move around in the soil. Just dig my hole a little bit here. You just get a little hole there, about as deep as the root ball. You can set it in place, and then once you have it in place, just go ahead and loosely fill in the soil around the plant. You don't need to pack it down too much. Roots grow in air, so you want there to be enough air, enough looseness in the soil for the roots to be able to move around. Once you've planted your plant, you need to water it in. And you only need to do a little bit, just right around kind of the edges of where it's been planted. And if you want, you can just, to make it nice and tidy, just fill in a little bit around there. And there you go. We have planted our hellebore.